Here's a question that catches developers off guard in interviews. How do couldn't and some handle null values? The answer reveals a critical distinction that can cause silent bugs in production queries. First, couldn't has two distinct behaviors. Couldn't star counts every single row in the result set, including rows where all columns are in null. But couldn't of a specific column name only counts rows where that column is not null. So if you have 10 rows but 3 have null salaries, couldn't star returns 10, while couldn't of salary returns 7. Sum also ignores null values, but with an important twist. It doesn't treat null as 0. Instead, sum simply skips over any null entries when calculating the total. If you sum 3 values of 10, 20, and null, you get 30, not an error. The null is excluded from the calculation entirely. Here's the edge case that surprises people. When all values are null or the set is empty, sum returns null, not 0. Couldn't would return 0 for an empty set, but sum returns null. This distinction matters when you're checking for missing data versus actual 0 amounts. Let's see this in action with the sales table. We have 5 transactions, but 2 have null amounts, maybe due to pending refunds. Couldn't star gives us 5 total records. Couldn't of amount gives us 3, only the non-null transactions. Sum of amount gives us 90, ignoring the nulls completely. And if we filter to only null amounts, sum returns null while couldn't star still returns 2. Remember, couldn't star counts everything, couldn't column and sum both skip nulls, but sum uniquely returns null for empty sets. Master this and you'll avoid common aggregation mistakes. Subscribe for more SQL interview tips. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.